Hi guys, welcome back to Race Education. So tomorrow you will be having your social science board examination. I hope everybody is doing well. When it comes to money and credit, formal source of credit and informal source of credit are one of the major topic that you should study for your examination, and I am giving you two important questions here. So let's discuss the first question. The first question is, what are the difference between formal and informal source of credit? Formal source of credit are banks and cooperative. Okay, and the first point is, these source of credit are registered by the government and have to follow the rules and regulation. So it is controlled by some rules and regulation. That is the first point. And second point is, RBI supervises the functioning of formal source of credit. Okay, RBI is the apex bank in India which supervises the functioning of formal source of credit in India. That is the second point. And the third point is, they generally charge lower rate of interest when it comes to loan. Okay, they generally charge lower rate of interest when it comes to loan. And the fourth point is, their main motive is social welfare. That is, they are welfare oriented. Okay, they are not just for profit making, they are welfare oriented. That is the fourth point. And examples are banks and cooperatives, and banks are divided into public sector banks, private sector banks, foreign banks, etc. And cooperatives are also state cooperative bank, district cooperative bank, and primary credit societies. Okay, so is this clear? Done. And when it comes to informal sources, that is first point is, these include those small and scattered units which are largely outside the control of the government. These are scattered, that is why they are largely outside the control of the government. And second point is, there is no organization which supervises the function of informal source of credit in India. And the third point is, they charge much higher interest when it comes to loans. Okay, they charge very high rate of interest when it comes to credit activity. And the fourth point is, their main motive is profit making. They are here for profit making. Okay, money lenders, traders, employees, relatives and friends are example for informal source of credit. Okay, is that clear? Is that clear for everybody? And the second question is, review any 3 merits and 2 demerits of formal source of credit in India. So we are going to have a deep dive. Okay, so what are the merits of formal source of credit in India? The first point is, help to meet the working capital needs for production. Second point is, helps in ongoing expenses of production. And third point is, helps in completing production on time. When we require fund for completing production on time, we generally rely on bank. Okay, and the fourth point is, helps in increasing earnings. Fifth point is, that is attractive point, that is low interest rate. Okay, low interest rate. I already told you that formal source of credit only charges low interest rate when it comes to credit activity. And the sixth point is, easy access of loan to small cultivators and small scale industries. Okay, and when it comes to the demerits, difficulty in obtaining the loans. We have to submit some collateral for getting the loan. Okay, collateral issues. The poor households does not have any collateral to submit in the bank for getting the loan. That is one of the major issue. And the third point is, documentation could be a problematic issue for few, because most of the rural people are illiterate when in North India and all. So documentation purpose or documentation process is very tough for them. And the fourth point is, lack of credibility in rural areas. Lack of credibility in rural areas. Okay, so done. Okay, I hope you guys have studied this thoroughly, and I will give you more questions in the upcoming content videos. So till then, stay tuned. Bye.